Sir is Bala Chaitanya sir, HM of Kannapalli, and the sir is one of the science resource personnel, and one more thing is my classmate. Okay.
Anitara sadyam needokka parvam sikarapu garvam nudutana rase ratanu telipe lipne chadi untavu neetala ratanu sontaga nuvve rasukupotunnavu otami bhayame unnotevadu odani rushive nuvvu gelupuke sontam ayyavu nuvve samastam.
How the heart produces the oxygenated blood to our body. Our inner heart is divided into 4 chambers, 2 upper chambers and 2 lower chambers. 2 upper chambers are called as the auricles and 2 lower chambers are called as the ventricles. The auricles are called as the blood receiving chambers and the ventricles are called as the blood pumping chambers.
Siddhantam nuvve nipantam nuvvele anantam.
Part of the eye which is called cornea, and the light flows to the black hole which is called pupil, and the irises control the flow of light, and the convex lens focus the light onto the retina where the real inverted image is formed, and where the light in sensitive cells convert these signals into electrical signals with the help of optic nerves. The electrical signals, optic nerves carries the electrical signals and send to occipital lobe, which is responsible for the vision.
Me sir, I am studying in 8th class. Today's our project name is Global Warming and Greenhouse sir. Global warming means increase in the Earth's temperature. It increases due to the soil erosion, global warming, deforestation. It causes global warming, and electricity produce, factory pollution, water pollution and releases of smoke from vehicles. We want to reduce the usage of petroleum vehicles.
What is global warming?
Generally, as rocks. There are also dinosaur crystals. This is some of the crystals here. These are very flat and this is artificial crystal which we use in aquariums. These are neat squares. These are missing when a building is in the sand while the building areas. And these are the